Okay guys, I'm going to do a little freeway run of the '05 Armada. About 3/4 throttle. Should gather speed fairly quickly. Merge on here. For such a rugged SUV, being the SE off-road, it actually has a really good highway ride. Sorry about the washer fluid light blinking down there. I still haven't. I need to get it serviced, get that topped off. But as you can see, we're cruising right along at 80. Runs nice and cool. Got good oil pressure. Transmission runs nice and cool. I like the gauges. It has a lot of instrumentation, which is nice. Got your battery down there. But yeah, just steering wheel's pretty stable, very smooth. It's pretty quiet in here. It's got a good ride. There's a little feedback in the steering wheel over larger bumps, imperfections in the road. But overall, yeah, this thing is a great freeway runner. Sure is. And it's got good brakes too, good strong brakes. Got some twins in the BMW over there. Ooh, got some exhaust note on them too. Bear with me and we'll do one more pass going back up. Like to keep it kind of low right through here. On I-75 North. Yes, yes. Got a policeman right there. They sometimes frown upon the use of these selfie sticks and cameras. Alright, let me get a kick down. Woo. She's pulling the red line. Holy cow. Let's get ahead of the UPS man. Okay. So that was a pretty strong pass. Again, no issues cruising, freeway speeds, as fast as you want to go. Got plenty of power. Yeah, it's just a great running Armada. So, let me know what you think. Like, subscribe. I got more cars coming. Y'all have a great day. For sale, $6,900. Peace.